upload multiple files from a UX component to Amazon S3, and then after all of the files have been uploaded, store the names of the files in a database. So to start off, we've got a button on the UX component, and this button is calling a action JavaScript to do file upload to Amazon S3, and we've specified that we'd like to allow multiple files, and then we're displaying progress in this placeholder over here. And here's where the important part is: in the on upload complete event, after all files have been uploaded, this JavaScript code is going to be executed, and then inside this code what you can see we're doing is we're going to do an Ajax callback, and we're going to send back to the Ajax callback information about the files that were uploaded. So if you look on the help text over here, you can see that this JavaScript here can reference e.fileArray, which is an array of the objects. So if we look at our code here, we've taken e.fileArray and we've converted it into a JSON string. So now files JSON is a JSON representation of the array, which contains information about all the files that were uploaded. And then we're using this built-in function here, Ajax build parameter, which creates a name value pair, but it does it in a way that all of the characters are properly escaped in the files JSON. So this function here is in the list of methods you can see here at the bottom there. It describes what this function does. So this is here. So additional data now is a name value pair that has a name of files JSON and a value of that. And then we're going to basically make an Ajax callback to a function called xb create records. And then as the additional data that we send back as part of the Ajax callback, you can see this this parameter over here. We're specifying the string additional data. So this is going to have files JSON. So inside our Ajax callback, we're going to be able to reference e.files JSON. So now let's go and take a look at this xbasic function over here. So let's go now to our xbasic function. So here's our xbasic function. We've turned the debugger on so we can see what's going on, and we're going to read the value of e.files JSON, and then we're going to pass that into a xbasic variable called p. So this variable p now is going to have basically an array of all of the files that were uploaded and the name that was assigned to them on S3. So let's go ahead now and run this in working preview. So if you're in working preview, you need to be using Chrome, because IE doesn't support cross-domain Ajax callbacks in working preview. So we'll go here now and select say 1, 2, 3, 4 files, and then click the open button, so that all the files get uploaded. And now here's our Ajax callback. So let's step through this code here, and now when we see here's files, there's the JSON that was passed back, and then we pass that, and now we get p. So p is an array that's got 4 entries because we uploaded 4 files. And if we look now at the first item in p, we've got p1 target name. So this was the name that was assigned to that file on S3, and so now we can basically generate the code that would create new database records, and then store in those records the URL of the object on Amazon, which would basically be something like http : and then the bucket name that you chose .s3 Amazon Web Services, etc. So basically you can construct the appropriate URL on Amazon using this target name, and then you can add those records to a database. Thanks very much for watching.